A 25 watt bulb contains a monochromatic means which has same wavelength, all photons are same, yellow light of wavelength 0.57 micrometers. God bless him. Calculate the rate of emission of quanta per second. What does that mean? That means, what is the rate of emission? It means how many, what is the number of photons emitted per second. Now, 25 watts means 25 joules per second. Fine. So this is 25 joules is total energy. That means energy of one photon multiplied by number of photons per second. This will give me 25 joules per second, right? That's easy. I'm supposed to find number of photons per second. Photons are quanta, so number of quantas per second. Per second means rate of emission. So I just have to find energy of one photon. How much is that? Could I find that? Yes, I guess I can. E as forever is hc by lambda, 6.626 into 10 is to minus 34 joule second into 3 into 10 is to 8 meters per second by the stupid lambda, which is how much? 0.57 into 10 is to minus 6 meter. Micro means 10 to minus 6. Oh wow, what do I need to do? Calculate, just feel happy about it. Or just substitute, how much is this? This is 6.626 into, now 17 3s are 57, let me just at least cancel out a few things. Let's say it is divided by 0.17. I have this number and this number. And this is 14, 10 is to 14 and 34. That makes it into 10 to minus 20 joules. Pretty interesting. Let me substitute this here. Therefore, number of photons per second is equal to 25 joules per second divided by this gandh. What is this? 6.626 into 10 is to minus 20 into 0.17 joules. Okay, lovely. How much is this? Multiply, divide, just feel happy about this. 10 is to 20 into 25 into 0.17, 6.626, something in terms of 19 per second. These would be the number of photons emitted per second. And how much would this come out to be? Well, I think we have some number. It is 7.17 into 10 to 19. You calculate that accurately and you get that. But how can we calculate by hand? You have means. If you want, I can help you with calculations also, rough calculations that is. Well, if I just look at 25, that does give me some feelings. 25 4za is 100. So let me multiply and divide by 4. So 25 into 4 is 100. 100 into 0.17 is just plain 17. So I have 17 divided by, what is this? This number into 4. 25, say 25 into 4 would be 100. And 6, 4 6 are 24. And 24, 24, 26. This is what I seemingly get. 17 by 26.5, roughly, closely. That does not sound like a very encouraging number. Let me just say, is it not very approximately? A little more than 17 is 18. A little more than 26.5 is 27. 18 by 27 is 2 by 3. That is 0.67. 6.7 something. And actually, what I've done is, I've just tweaked it a little. So it's around 6.7 something and 7.1. Now you can say 6 and 7 is different. We have made drastic approximations, of course, but if you just are a little more accurate, you would get what you need, 7.17. It's a rough calculation check so that our number is close to the correct answer. Yes, it makes sense.